All right, well, I started backfilling these ditches after we pressurized the plumbing and realized I had not taken a video of all our pipes. We got to leave this open because the electrical inspector needs to see the conduit for the lights. So can't cover this area until tomorrow when the inspector gets here, but for now I'm covering what he doesn't need to see. Air and jets. So this pool has a total of 8 pipes. Bunch of them this way. Of course, 3 shoes we got stubbed up. So we've got returns in the 3 shears. Then when we get to here, we have a skimmer that picks up in this ditch. And they all come together here at the junction. We turn this way, go all the way back this way. If I can walk on the pipe. There's our plumbing. So, back to back filling.